In this example, we're converting a 405-degree angle to radians. So we're connecting the two worlds. How do you connect between the angle world and the radian world? What these are, I shouldn't say angle, that was dumb. Degrees between degrees and radians. These are two different systems for measuring the opening of an angle, just like Fahrenheit and Celsius. So let's remember what an angle is. An angle is an amount of opening between two line segments. So like if this is a doorway, how much is that door open? At what angle? So we have two systems for measuring the opening between two line segments, an angle. One of them is degrees, the other is radians. They're like Celsius and Fahrenheit, two systems for measuring temperature. The connection, the bridge between the two worlds, is 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. That's the connection. 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. That's the bridge you want to use between the two worlds. So let's get to the problem then. So we have, bring it down here, we have 405 degrees, and we want to change to radians. So how are we going to do it? Well, you're going to need to convert units of any kind. If you take chemistry or physics, you do a lot of unit conversion. What you want to basically do is put this over 1 so that it looks like a fraction. We haven't changed anything. 405 divided by 1, still 405. It just looks like a fraction, helps us to see things better. And then over here, we're going to use the 180 and the pi, because that's the bridge between the two worlds, the two systems. So how do you know which one goes in the top or the bottom? Because that will change from problem to problem. Here's the thought you need to have. This is what I finally got straight when I took chemistry. That is, you want units to cancel. Units will cross cancel. So you want this degrees to cancel. So that means I've got to put the degrees down here. That's how I know. Why? Because I want out of the degrees, right? I'm trying to change to radians. So I want to be out of the degrees. So I put that down there, and of course pi radians goes there. So these degrees will cancel, and then you just go straight and straight. Straight across the top, 405 pi, and then 1 times 180 is just 180. And then we have to reduce that fraction. Divide by 5. Top and bottom, so that can be 101. No, that's not right. Let me see, divided by 5 would be 81. Yeah, 405, right. 81 pi over, what's that? I think it's 36. Yeah, right. 81 over 36. Oh, that's further reducible, isn't it? Divide by 9 now. So I'm getting 9 pi over 4. 9 pi over 4. There we go. That's radians automatically. 9 pi over 4. And when you type in pi, just use pi. Just type pi. So you go 9 pi divided by 4, and it'll make it 9 pi over 4 on your screen there. So that's the connection between the degrees and radian systems. Is 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. You just make it a fraction so that degrees, you put them degrees at the bottom, so degrees will cross cancel, and you'll be in radians there.